Are you ready for the last component of your personal strategic planning process? We've arrived at Financial F.I.R.E. It's the moment you'll take a long, hard look at your professional and financial situation and create a strategy for moving forward in these areas. By now, you know exactly how to do that. This all started with your spiritual FIRE process and its personal definition strategy. You continued that process by lighting and tending your external fire with a social contribution strategy, your relational fire with a relationship development strategy, and your internal fire with a personal development strategy. You're now ready to gain clarity around your professional goals and develop your financial management skills. This will allow you to take care of yourself and others, and to continue your personal development journey the way you want to. Before getting started on the financial FIRE component of your personal strategic planning process, recall that the entire FIRES system looks like this. Financial. You want and need professional financial security and success. Internal. You want and need a holistically healthy day-to-day existence. Relational. You want and need good relationships with friends and family. External. You want and you need to make social community contributions. Spiritual. You want and need, above all else, to live out your core values. We started with a big picture perspective, defining the core values that must guide all aspects of your life. Then we went from the macro view, your place in society and community, and gradually sharpened our focus until we were looking at the micro level relationships and daily self-focused activities. Now, we want to create a ring of protection around these macro and micro arenas of your life. We're looking at the substructure, finances and work, that exists to sustain and protect all these other values-driven aspects of your life. Hence, the work you will do for the remainder of this chapter and video series will culminate in the creation of a professional development strategy. To reach that point, remember that you will be working through this strategy formulation model. One more time, this section, your financial FIRE process, is stylized in workbook format so that you can use it to record the work that you will culminate in your professional development plan. But remember, you can use whatever document makes you feel comfortable and helps you stay organized. Let's do this.